What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another custom 3D video. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different concerning my car. So recently I've had an exhaust leak and I got to replace a gasket. So my friend and I are going to fix it, and I 3D printed a gasket that's the same exact thing as the regular one that we got at Napa out of PETG. So I'm just going to start up the car and show you what it sounds like now. Alright, so as you can see, it sounds really bad. So now we're going to try and fix it with the 3D printed gasket. The other one is the one we bought, and this is the one I printed. Alright guys, let's get started on this repair. So let me show you guys the leak. That right there is leaking. Yeah, look at this gasket. Alrighty guys, so we just got the gasket out. This is the old one. This is why we need to replace it. And here's a bolt that was holding it in, and that's rusted to crap. Good job, Hyundai. Alrighty guys, we're putting in the gasket. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so we just put the gasket on, and it's working. As you can hear, it's no longer making that awful noise. So that's it for today's video. This is a very cool experiment. Obviously I'm not going to drive around with this gasket on, but we're going to put on the new one and my car should be fixed. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later. Check out my website, custom3dllc.com.